Hey guys, this is Bristy. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. I'm going to unbox a Gucci scarf. So let's get to the video. So this is what it came in. Let me open it up and show you what's inside. Okay, and then the inside says Gucci, and here's an envelope, and let's see what is in here. Okay, there is an online return policy because this was purchased online. And thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com, and just a card. Hope you enjoy your Gucci purchase, blah blah blah. You get the idea. So that was what was inside the envelope. And now to the main item. To the only item actually. So it came in this Gucci shopping bag. Let me open it. Oh, okay. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna try to open this. I don't know if I can. Wow, this is difficult. Okay. Okay, so there's the scarf. Okay, let's see the color. Oops, I think I broke something. Never mind. Let me open it like so. This is the scarf. Feels very soft. It's nice. This is one side. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this is the other side. Let's see what it says on the tag. So of course there's a Gucci tag, different languages that I don't speak yet, and on this tag it says Gucci made in Italy, and just how to take care of it, basically. That's all. Let me see, do I like the feeling or not? Oh, it's nice. I like it. I actually do like it. This is the color in silver, and it's pretty cool. I really like it. Okay, I like the color, I like the feeling of it, I like it all. I really do like the feeling of it. It's not scratchy at all, which I was very concerned about, that what if it is scratchy. It's not. It's very soft, and I like the size of it. It's much more manageable like this, like small enough but not too small. So I do love it. I give it an A+. And the fact is that I can wear it to different ways and to different colors, makes it that much more special to me. So I'm gonna go now and enjoy this scarf. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for lots more content like this, and probably better ones than this, because this was such a small video. I'm so sorry, but I hope you liked it still. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, it's at Bristy Frosty, and my Twitter is at Bristy Sultana. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.